Hi, in this short tutorial we are going to look at setting up basic new users in Sage CRM. To create a new user, you either need to be an administrator or have info admin rights to the user rights section. If you have these, you can click the profile menu icon on the top right of the screen and select administration. Then select users, new user. You can now enter in the new user's first name, last name, email address, required username and password. Once these are entered, you can set any user rights and license type required. Users can be allocated full admin, part admin or no admin rights. Settings can also be grouped into templates and applied quickly to new users by selecting the required user template. Users can be assigned to a team, which then allows grouping of records via the Team CRM menu option. Territories can also be assigned to users. These can be used to restrict access to only records users are allowed to view. This is quite a complex function, and we'll be running a separate tutorial on this soon. If a user is marked as a resource, the user cannot be used to log into Sage CRM. However, the user will appear on the user list and be available for selection of meetings and appointments, and have its own calendar. This is useful when you have a resource, such as a meeting room, that you want to book to hold the meeting. Finally, users can be assigned a license type. Sage CRM can be purchased as either named or concurrent users. Named users consume a license per user, and you can only set up the amount of users you have purchased. Concurrent users allow you to set up as many users as you like, but only the purchased amount of users can log on at any one time. The licensing model you choose should be based on your requirements. As a rule of thumb, if the majority of your users are logged in most of the day, named users is the suggested option. If they are out on the road or diving in and out of CRM, concurrent users may be a good choice. If you have purchased concurrent users, it is possible to assign one of the users a named user license. This is used if certain users need access to Sage CRM all the time, even though you are on concurrent licensing. This will hold one of the shared concurrent licenses for that user. As an example, if you purchase a 10 concurrent user system but allocate 2 users as named, this will allow another 8 users to log on at any one time. Once you are happy with your selection, you can click Save. This will create your new user. If you are creating multiple users, you can select Save and New. This will create the current user and then take you back to the new user screen to allow you to add the next user. I hope you have found this brief tutorial interesting. For more tutorials, check out our other videos on our YouTube channel.